Food banks across Colorado are preparing to provide additional support to those in need of their communities.
That's as qualifications for SNAP benefits are expected to increase and fewer people might not be able to qualify for help, I should say. Your reporter in the mountain, Spencer Wilson, has more.
The Family Intercultural Resource Center, or FIRC, has been busy since they started. But since the pandemic, they've seen a 350% increase in visitors to their food bank.
Things are really pretty busy right now. We're seeing a lot of people come in through the doors looking for help to stretch their budget.
And even when things are busy, FIRC says it's trying to tighten its belt on its budget to prepare for what's to come.
We're trying to hold off spending our whole entire budget so that we can be nimble when folks start to come in.
Because FIRC doesn't know for sure what to expect when it gets harder for Americans to qualify for SNAP benefits, but it has an idea of how it's going to go.
FIRC says in terms of people in Summit County on SNAP benefits, it's probably not going to change much when there's additional work requirements. They're usually working around 2 to 3 jobs anyway just to survive up here. The big change will be demand at the places where food banks get supplies. Nationwide, if people are trying to take more from the locations that provide supplies for food banks, it's going to get more expensive for food banks to operate, period.
And while these boxes get filled with food, FIRC says really it helps with housing at the end of the day.
Basically allows them to save up to $900 a month on groceries, and they can put that towards housing, childcare, anything that they might need, including snow tires.
Because we know for a fact it's just expensive to live here. And it's places like this food bank that allow our working class in resort towns to even survive.
And I think people forget these folks are working really, really hard and still not able to make ends meet. The federal poverty level is about $25,000 for a family of 3. Our clients make around $50,000 for a family of 3, but in Summit County, it takes $100,000 to not rely on any sort of outside support.
In Summit County, Spencer Wilson covering Colorado First.
This November, Coloradans will vote on a ballot measure that would increase money for free student meals and the SNAP program in our state. Spencer is your reporter in the mountains. He wants to hear from you about what's going on in our mountain communities. You can send him a tip through cbscolorado.com, give him a call on our tips line, or send him an email at yourreporter@cbs.com.